Good morning, baby OPOS stars. Hello, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the Bharwan Bhindi C2P10. I'll start with layering 3 tablespoons of oil. This is recycled oil from the past CPF experiments. And the bhindi needs to be completely dry. So slit it on one side to make a pocket. Ensure that you don't slit the other side also. The stuffing can be pretty much anything you like. I'm going to use 3 different types of stuffing. One with paneer, one with ready-made puliyogare powder or any spice powder you like, and one with spiced lentil powder or parupu podi. You can use virtually anything for your stuffing. Cheese, tok, leftover curries, leftover sabjis, anything at all. So I'll take some of parupu podi, use this as a stuffing. I'll take some puliyogare powder, use that as a stuffing. And I'll take some paneer and crumble it with some spice mix, a bit of chili powder, a bit of garam masala, and a bit of salt, and use this as a stuffing too. The stuffing just does not matter. Any stuffing you like can be used. All you have to do is open it up, open the bhindi and stuff it. Put in as much stuffing as possible. Just press it in. And arrange it so that the stuffing does not touch the base. Doesn't matter if these stuffings mix. Anyway, we are going to mix them together at the end and create a fusion stuffing. So this way you can create multiple dishes in one pot. Have a spicy stuffing for someone, have a North Indian stuffing, South Indian stuffing, use posto as a stuffing, shorshe as a stuffing, anything. So each bhindi can belong to one cuisine by just varying the stuffing you use. If you use mozzarella cheese, parmesan, pesto, it becomes the Italian version. This is a very flexible template. You can even stuff in processed starch like roasted rava, roasted poha, roasted besan to make this into a full meal, or grated sausages, cooked keema to create a non-veg version. Just can't go wrong with this template. Just ensure you add a single layer of bhindi. Don't ensure that every okra touches the bottom. You don't want them to be steamed. You want them to be nicely charred at the base. I don't think this is going to get completed in 7 minutes. Probably I should rename this C2P9. Maybe one more. Yeah, that should do. Close and cook on high for a couple of whistles. Release the pressure and plate it. It's ultra simple. So the OPOS versions of stuffed vegetables are really simple. Since we are not going to disturb them during cooking, they come out fantastic. The shapes are retained and the cooking is done ultra fast without the need to keep flipping them like you need to do in the traditional versions. Instead of okra, you can use quite a few other vegetables like ivy gourd, small snake gourd, bitter gourd, slit brinjals, anything you like. You can actually prepare multiple batches. While this batch is frying, you can cook up the next batch. So this is what I'd used for the stuffing, ready-made puliyogre powder, available in quite a few shops. Or you can use ready-made idli podi, ready-made parpu podi, pundu podi, garlic powder, curry leaf powder, coconut powder, anything. This is likely to be a C2P10 recipe. I guess I was overly optimistic when I thought I could do this in 7 minutes from scratch. That's one, that's good enough. You'll see they have a nice char at the bottom. Ensure that you don't disturb the stuffing. And you'll see that we have got almost all the oil back. Just flip this around for the photo. And there you go. Bharwan Bhindi to serve 2 people, cutting to plating in less than 10 minutes. And we have, let's see how much oil we have got back. We have just used a tablespoon of oil. We have got 2 tablespoons back. So do try this. Please post your validations. Thank you very much.